Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Tesla Model S door from outside. The Tesla Model S boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design featuring door handles that sit flush with the car's body. To open a door, simply apply a light press to the wider section of the handle. This action will cause the handle to gracefully extend outwards. Once it's presented, you can then grasp it firmly and pull it towards you, just like a traditional car door, to gain access to your vehicle. For added convenience, you can enable the Auto Present Handles feature through your Tesla's touchscreen controls. When this setting is active, and your paired key fob or phone key is detected nearby, the door handles will automatically extend as you approach the vehicle. This allows for seamless entry without needing to press them first. However, remember that if a handle isn't used within about 60 seconds, it will gracefully retract back into the door. While typically electronic, your Model S also has manual door releases for emergency situations, such as a complete loss of power. To open a front door manually, simply pull up the release lever located directly in front of the window switches. For the rear doors, you'll need to fold back the edge of the carpet beneath the rear seats to expose a mechanical release cable, which you then pull towards the center of the vehicle. Here are a few important tips for using your Tesla Model S door handles. Always ensure you have your valid key fob or phone key with you for the car to unlock and present the handles. Exercise caution to avoid pinching fingers or other objects as the handles extend and retract. In colder climates, it's wise to gently clear any ice or debris from around the handles to ensure smooth and proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.